Welcome to the Spellbinders March 2026 Clear Stamp and Die of the Month Club called Good Times. This month's stamp set is jam-packed with sentiments for friends and family celebrating special days and everyday moments. There are sentiments that work perfectly with this month's small die, large die, and stitching die of the month, as well as sentiments that could be used on a variety of other cards. The dies in this month's club come with a sentiment strip die that can cut out any of the one-line sentiments. There are 9 additional dies that cut out each of the 2-line sentiments. There are a few extra words that can be used to customize your message, such as mom, mum, and boss. Let's use this month's Stamp and Die Club to create a card. Start with an A2 piece of white cardstock and choose several sentiments from the stamp set. Treat the cardstock with anti-static powder. Use a black pigment ink up the stamps, and stamp them onto the cardstock. Pour Hero Arts ultrafine clear embossing powder on top of the stamped image. When you pour off the excess, the images will appear slightly whitened by the powder. Heat set the embossing powder with a heat tool until the powder is melted and the sentiments appear black and shiny. They will be slightly raised due to the embossing powder as well. Place the coordinating dies around the matching sentiments and hold them in place with Spellbinders' Best Ever Craft Tape. Run them through the die cut machine to cut them out. You can do this process on color cardstock with white embossing powder as well, or try gold embossing powder on white cardstock. If the sentiment strip is a bit too long, simply trim the sides with a detail pair of scissors. Using foam squares, pop up an unstitched baseball cap made with this month's stitching die of the month on a background made from this month's stencil of the month. Using the gold embossed and die cut the Sky's the Limit sentiment, trim the sides of the sentiment strip. Add dimension behind the sentiment with a Spellbinders micro foam strip and line it up justified to the right of the stenciled card panel. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!